all my efforts within the next 3 to 5 years, lilingin pa ba ako sa iba? Magpapakamagin pa ba ako sa ibang opportunities where yung paglingon ko maging haluging asin? What are the results? Ano ba kasi yung results?
Results.
Ano yung mangyayari sa inyong result? Excited ka ba dito?
Yes.
Ang expansion pa ng pinag-usapan, naku, ang dami ng birth pains dyan. Ang dami ng birth pains. And yet, we know how to conquer them. Dok, lumalaki na yung grupo mo sa ganito pero walang payout. Siyempre, wala pang branch dyan. Paano ka mag-payout? Pero kaya natin gawa na solusyon at paraan. Next. Our vision is to create a lot of companies within the umbrella of a global group. Let's show them to you. We have empowered consumerism, we have OVI, we have Alpha East, at ngayon nagagamit ko na ang Bibo Super App. May mga masasayang naka-receive ng Bibo Super App income nila yung Friday of varying amounts. May iba, 12,000 lang power, Bibo is free. May iba, 30,000, wow, Bibo is free. May iba, 120,000, ang galing, pumasok ng Bibo ko, power. Sana laging nalagyan ng hashtag Bibo. May iba, 600,000, pumasok, nalagyan ba yun? Wala, lasing kagabi. Hindi, lasing kaninang umaga. Lasing na kaninang umaga, pag-uwi, naghahanap pa ng kainuman. Kaya, bigyan nga yung si Zoe na yan. Binanggit pa eh. Lasing na, naghanap pa ng kainuman. So what's in it for you guys? Saan papunta pa ang company? Ano pa yung mahabang pagsasamahan natin? Next slide. Video ba to? Video? Ayan. Kung nakita niyo ang Alpha East, this is first. New concept. Masarap na burger, masarap na chicken and fries, flavored chicken wings, and pizza. Natikman niyo ba kanina?
Yeah.
Masarap o masarap na masarap?
Sarap na masarap.
Masarap na product along with masarap na presyo. It's the key to success of any franchising concept. Dapat laging affordable or swak na swak sa budget ng niche market na tinatarget natin. So pagka-swak sa budget, mabilis ang sales, mabilis ang ROI, maraming franchises, maraming stores. So yan ang future ng Alpha East. Kanina, when you were coming in, I believe you were handed a flyer of OBI. Tama ba? Nakalagay sa flyer ng OBI, very, very soon, we will launch our own medical insurance and our own life insurance. Hindi lang accident. May medical na, may life pa. Other people are saying, Dok, bakit magpag-launch sa ganyan? Kasi po accident, yun lang yung market mo, accident lang. May mga naghahanap na, paano kung na-accidente ako sa sakit? Hindi lang accidente lang. At kinakailangan ko ma-hospital. At least now, we will have one. Yung land, ito yung may investment component.
Yes.
Yung habang nagbibigay ka, pag may nangyari, may babalik na malaki at meron pang kumikita dun sa binibigay mo. So we keep on evolving, we keep on innovating, we keep on collaborating with other companies to offer you the best services. So we could streamline our operations, our costings to give you the best products and service there is. Next. You have seen me present this. Let me just reiterate it once more. We started with EC. Alam niyo na yan. And we keep on launching product after product after product. As of today, we just launched our D Supreme,
Yes.
our cholecalciferol vitamin D3 with MCT oil, medium chain triglyceride oil. Oil-based vitamin D para kahit empty stomach at hindi ka kumain ng fatty meal, mas mabilis siya na ma-absorb. So we will keep on launching new products every now and then under EC brand. Next, binanggit nyo rin tungkol sa OBI, mga new products ng OBI. Next, ito na, this is a fintech company. Ito yung magmamay-ari ng Vivo natin, Inky369. Next, Vivo Super App. Nakita nyo na, very soon, ano yung project natin dito, amigo? We will come up with a card. Magkakaroon ng Vivo card.
Wow.
Dok, bakit kinakailangan ng Vivo card? Nakawalan ka kasi. Hindi ka pa maka-get over doon sa wallet agad. Kinakailangan mo pa ng cash. Para makapag-withdraw ka sa any ATM na malapit sa iyo, kailangan mo pa ng card. So that's the plan. Walang iniwan sa GCash. Wallet na pero may card pa rin. Okay? Pero good thing with Vivo, may kitaan. Diba? Pag nagbayad ka ng kuryente, may income. Pag nagbayad ng kuryente, yung download mo, may income. Next. The goal is to have our own digital bank features in the near future. Next. Aviator or AVI International. Ito yung pinsan ni OBI. AVI is a travel agency company. Kunwari, gusto ko mag-book ng Hong Kong. At sa Hong Kong gusto ko may Disneyland Ocean Park. Magkano ito? Bang mura. Kasi pwede mo siya ibenta ng mas may markup ka.
Wow.
At ang makalagyan, may points.
Wow.
May kita ka.
Grabe.
So para siyang OVI, it's a digital play na travel agency.
Grabe.
Kasi for some, ayaw ka ng insurance, may insurance na ako eh. Pero may travel agency ka ba? Wala. Ito pwede. Magkano? Parang OVI. Travel agency play in an app or online. Next. Alpais, you've seen the future of Alpais. Hindi lang namin nagawa ng PowerPoint. Another company below Alpais, ito na, is what we call Alpais Store Specialist. Store Specialist will be partnering with Round 1. Round 1, meron siyang secondary license ng SEC to accept investment. Dito magkakaroon ng investment play or investment offering ang Alpais. Pwede tayong tumanggap ng investment kahit saan at pwede kumita yun ng more than what the bank can offer through Alpais Store Specialist. Dok, sino si Alpais Store Specialist? Siya yung magmamanage ng lahat ng company-owned stores ng Alpais. Whether matching yan, or burger, or chicken and fries, or pizza. Para po ba?
Yes.
Bakit tayo may ganun, Doc? We want to capture the market of the investing public. May mga tao na may pera, na ayaw ng network, ayaw ng insurance, ayaw ng food supplement. Pero gusto ko, may 3 milyon ako na magagawin ko dito. Ayan. May 1 milyon ako natatabi na magagawin ko dito. Ayan na. With Alpais Stores, pwede natin tanggapin yun. Alpais Stores Specialist. Because it's a secondary license partnership with Round 1. So very soon, ililinaw natin sa ito and how you can participate with this. Kasi ayun nyo, for a fact, market mo, you will come across those kind of market. Those kind of people. Ayaw magbenta, tama o tama. Ayaw mag-refer, tama. Pero may pera na gustong i-invest. At gusto nila, more or less, yung kikita yung pera. Hindi sobrang laki, tama lang. More than what the bank can offer. The bank right now is offering what? 1, 2, 3% per year. What if our investment portfolio can offer 10, 11, 12% per year?
Wow. Grabe.
Maganda po ba yan?
Yes.
So abangan niyo yan. Next. AIM Realty, ito matagal na. The goal is to have our own real estate division. In the future, totoo naman, you'll be buying your own condo unit. Tama o tama?
Tama.
In the future, you'll be buying your own house and lot.
Tama.
Maraming nasa dream board nyo yan. Ang sarap-sarap isipin na sa akin, bibili ka na rin lang ng bayan lupa o ng condo sa Realty na.
Wow.
Bakit? May buying area. Tsaka may UPP points na pwede tumagal. So abangan niyo yan. Next. Of course, our Riders Economy. Get Rider program. Ang masa. Ang rider. The goal here is to create our own fleet of riders. Kasi ang gagamitin natin sa pag-deliver ng mga products natin. Sarili na natin brand. Sila mismo may kitaan. Sila mismo ang pambayad, Bibo. Sila mismo may leading insurance sa OBI.
Wow.
Because we are an ecosystem already. A closed ecosystem. Next. Pro riders, ito yung magiging importer ng mga motorcycle na dalawang klase. Isang fuel-based at isang electric-based. Okay? Next is our Capital Central Financing Corporation or CPRI. We call this CPRI. It's a lending, it's a financing company. Kasi alam naman natin mga motorcycles, mas masarap ibenta yan ng naka-layaway. 2 years to pay, 3 years to pay, para afford. Next. Yeah, the goal is to design. Everybody say design.
Design.
Design our future. Our future together. Samahan nyo kami i-build yung mga empires nito under your network.
Yes.
So in the near future, pag-ikaw ang board meeting o kamusta ang easy business natin. Ay grabe, dito sa Pilipinas, ang dami naglalabas ng kotse, ang dami naglalabas ng bahay. O kamusta yung Global? Ay, nakabutas kami sa Global Senegal, tsaka sa Global New Zealand. Nag-network sila doon. O kamusta yung OBI natin? O yung dami na bibintang life insurance, saka medical insurance, saka nag-build pa rin ng network sa accident insurance. O kamusta yung Alpha East? Ako, 30 na yung nag-franchise sa atin ng Alpha East. 10 sa vaccine, 10 sa burger, 10 sa pizza. Yung network mo will be variable na. Iba-iba na yung ginagawa sa company natin, pero nasa network mo pa rin. Because we could offer a lot of services and products and opportunities. Do you follow?
Yes.
Next. The results. Ano mangyayari sa inyo? 3 years, 5 years, 8 years from today. Excited ka ba?
Yes.
Excited ka ba kung tignan mo yung nasa table mo? Alam mo yung tsura mo excited eh. Alam mo yung tsura may tanong, ano nga ba ako 8 years from today? 5 years from, nakabangon na ba? Nakacycle na ba? Masaya na ba kapag sumacycle?
Excited ka na ba?
Nakita ko na ba yung lugar where will I see and put all my efforts within the next 3 to 5 years? Hihingin pa ba ako sa iba? Magpapakalagit pa ba ako sa ibang opportunities where yung paglingon ko maging haluging asin? What are the results? Ano ba kasi yung results?
Results.
Ano yung mangyayari sa inyong result? Excited ka ba dito?
Yes.